Welcome to the new NV Auto. This is our new location as of February 1st, 2020. We're like 3-4 days away from opening up right now. Things are a mess. We've done our best to get this far, but it's been an epic amount of work between moving everything and tearing down the hoists and setting up the hoists. And you don't realize how much stuff you accumulate in 9 years. So we've done our best. This is what we're at. We're going to give you a sneak peek because well, you see what the new place is like. It's pretty awesome. So this is the showroom. This is basically where everybody's going to see it all the time when you come visit us here. We brought our old counter that we built in the old location. Funny enough, we had to cut 2.5 inches off of it width-wise so we can fit it through the door. We still have to fix that, add it on, but spent some time, got a bunch of stuff stocked in the display case. We got our Motul products all set up, all the Sonax stuff. We've started, getting this area ready so when people come here, it looks operational and everything. Still have logos and posters and all kinds of stuff that need to go on the walls. But most importantly, we have our 2 TVs set up. So while you're here, you'll be entertained. We're gonna have great programming. We're gonna work on some custom stuff just for our customers to have over here. This area is gonna not be a storage facility like it is right now. It's gonna be kind of like our waiting area, somewhere to sit. Maybe you can, soak up some Wi-Fi while you're here and wait for your car to get fixed. And then I did this the other day. I used to keep all the trophies in my office, but now we're gonna have them on display for everybody to see here. So it was just a fun afternoon project to get these all dusted up. They're really messy. Got everything cleaned up so everybody can see it. All of our achievements. It's myself, Riley, Alex, and even Nam has a trophy or two up there. All right, so this first part of the shop is gonna be our fabrication and manufacturing area. Right now it kind of looks like a bomb went off, but this is what 9 years of accumulated stuff looks like in a fresh space. We've been working really hard to get this all sorted out, but this is going to be like the general welding area where all the welding and fabrication gets done. We have 2 hoists in here so Vin can work on those projects. That's where all the custom fabrication projects and everything are all going to happen right here. This area over here is where we're going to be doing manufacturing. So we have a little mill. We're getting a different mill. We're going to get a nice big lathe in here. And this is where we're going to start building parts. That's the plan, is to start making more things for your Subaru or any car, really. Continue this way. We'll talk about Scott's car later. In another video. Click the link. There's another video. All right, so where we're standing right now, this is where the alignment rack is gonna go. We're actually putting it in ground here. So next week, the concrete contractor's coming in. He's gonna dig the 16-foot pit and pour new concrete. So now our alignment rack's gonna be in ground, so no ramps. No matter how low your car is, we can get it on our alignment rack. It's beautiful for the race car stuff. So that right now, this has kind of become a staging area for everything because we don't have the rack in yet. So all the old equipment's here. Actually, anybody need an air compressor? It's for sale. You got to get rid of it. And then down this way is, so we're gonna have the alignment rack here, and then we have over here 2 hoists back to back. And this is where all the general repair is gonna take place. So if your car's coming in for head gaskets or oil changes or all the general repair stuff, this is the area where it's going to happen. We're getting all our pegboards up and all the cabinets mounted and everything. This is all the specialty tools will all be housed in these things, and got some nice storage up top, which is something we've never had before. And that's it. This is pretty much it, but we still have to show you the best part of this whole place next. All right, and this is my favorite spot here, is the parking lot. This is half of the parking lot. We now have space for 100 cars. So we're gonna do a lot of car shows here, a lot of meets, cars and coffee kind of stuff. Registration for Ontario Time Attack is gonna happen here. So I'm excited to have a standalone building where you guys don't have to fight like you used to in other locations for parking spots. This is all our space. Thanks for watching. Thanks for checking out this mass chaos that we're working in right now. By the time this video comes out, we're gonna be open. So we are open for business. Come visit. Even if you're not buying anything, come say hi, give Riley a high five, come give me a high five, come see the new place, and hope to see you here.